For me, mangoes have always been a part of my life. It's more emotional than I've thought. People equate Australian mangoes and our mangoes with summer. So we're making many, many, many summertime memories for millions of Australian mango lovers. That's actually a very satisfying thing to do. We're doing exciting stuff. There's lots of innovation, there's lots of technology. We're doing stuff that's really important to the world. You know, we're feeding people. NAB's been a really great part of our team. I believe NAB really understands agriculture and understands the highs and lows of agriculture because the people in their agribusiness department have actually lived it. The relationship, I think, gets stronger and stronger. We've been on this huge journey, and while I'm happy with where we are, you know, I don't really believe you ever finish the journey. When I'm standing in a supermarket and people are coming past our mangoes and they're just selling like hotcakes, that's a pinch yourself moment.